Our editor is fully operable with just a keyboard. In this screen recording, I insert an image block towards the top of the page, as well as a social block to the footer. All interactive elements are ordered intuitively, so that as you traverse the UI using just the keys, like Tab, Shift-Tab, Enter, and the arrow keys, the flow feels very natural. After placing the social block, I then reorder some of the icons to my liking. We also use clear CSS focus styles to highlight which element in the UI or template is currently active, so users can see where they are on the stage at any point.